this is an additional thing that you should pay attention to. You should look to see, like, there are some law schools that are going to fold. And you should look to see how the law school's doing. Even before, like, there's several law schools that have folded before the pandemic, and I promise you that the pandemic has not improved the financial situation of a whole bunch of law schools. Now, there's some law schools that are gonna react to this on the lower end by just being like, now we're online, that's it, that's all we do. And that actually would be a significant savings, and so maybe they can stay in business doing that. It's not clear how long the ABA will let them do that, but it seems like they'll float them for a year or two under the circumstances. But there are other law schools that are not going to be, like, if a law school's standalone law school without a large endowment, with a high tuition that's not going completely online, I would be really worried about that. Because I can tell you, and you just have to read the Chronicle of Higher Ed, it's super expensive to try and operate under these circumstances. Like, it's just a mess. Like, you just have the people come in there clean all the time, and the masks and the plexiglass shields and all the technology that's going to be needed. And law schools, one of the points that the book makes is law schools were already under significant financial stress, and they were hoping that the Trump bump was going to float them and they were going to be fine. And it turns out that's not really going to be the situation. And so go ahead and make sure to look at that before you go.
Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I wish you all the best and take care.